A new morning BNI. I am Nitin Mittal, Director Consultant with BNI New Delhi. And with us we have Dr. Ravina Duhan. She is a member with Prolific in the category of HR Consultant, a 2+ year member. So welcome ma'am to the TAP Ambassadors podcast series.
Thank you, sir.
How are you feeling being on this podcast series?
This is always awesome. And BNI is always awesome. And being here in the TAP series, it is a great experience I'm going to have, I'm sure.
And how does it feel being the first ambassador for the region New Delhi as TAP ambassador?
Being the first ambassador, it was a very difficult task. Initially, it felt like a difficult task. But yes, it was an amazing journey. I could connect with all the members in BNI. We had more than 400 plus registrations in January itself. And there were certain funny moments also कि मैम आप कॉल करते हो तो आपको कॉल ना बड़ा महंगा पड़ता है 8-10 हज़ार रुपए की कॉल पड़ जाती है आप बोलते हो कि get this registration done. So yeah, it is amazing. It was really great, and getting award for that was also something awesome.
Congratulations for that.
Thank you, sir.
Also, ma'am, this year the theme is network to abundance. How does it relate it to the theme of this year?
So, network to abundance, I would say networking apart from BNI. For professionals, networking is LinkedIn. So, we do professional networking through LinkedIn. For me, BNI is another LinkedIn, I would say.
Being HR consultant? Of course.
Yes, being HR consultant, it is amazing for me because I find my clients, my candidates through LinkedIn. Now I find both of them through BNI. So that is again another platform for me for networking. So that is abundance to me.
And tell us more about your business and how BNI has helped you in your growth and business.
So I'm an HR consultant. I run a company called Growing Talent, and we do end-to-end HR. We do recruitment span India. We do process and policy development, SOPs, everything a company needs. We do all of that, and we do employee engagement activities also. So when it comes to BNI, it has definitely helped me grow, learn a lot, and I can connect with BNI in a way that being in HR, I prefer making policies, following policies. And I believe BNI is the most successful because it is very strong in its policies and processes. And definitely I get a lot of queries here from the companies themselves. They need process and policy developments, the MSMEs here. And I get connected to the lot of clients also. Like I was hiring doctors pan India for a company, for one of my very leading clients. So I connected with doctors pan India in BNI through BNI Connect, and I could get references and do the hirings for the company. So that is how BNI is helping me to generate more business for myself, to get more clients, to get more candidates through this. So
And just 2 years that you have been here, but looking at the visibility that you have got across the region, so what extra you have put in as a member that you got this visibility, and most of the members in the region know Dr. Ravina.
So I would say getting the visibility, the first and foremost thing which helped me in BNI was attending trainings. So being an HR person, trainings are very important for me, and being somebody who's very interested in knowing the things completely. So I thought to learn BNI, I should attend trainings a lot. So when I was in the training rooms back to back 2-3 months, so the people noticed me, the ED noticed me. Then apart from that, I have always been there on any of the events, like whether it's a cricket event, it's a regional social, I'm always there. I got an opportunity to anchor in BGT. That also helped me gain a lot of visibility. Sometimes there are certain funny moments where people come and say, "Hi mom, we know you." And I'm like, "Okay, hi." And they say, "You hosted BGT and we know you from there." So that is like something मुझे भी नहीं पता, and वहाँ पे जो audience में लोग थे and they could see me and they could recognize me. So that is amazing.
And how that has helped you in your business?
That has definitely helped me a lot. I have got cross-chapter business a lot after I got the visibility in BGT. मुझे I think I'm doing business with almost every chapter and cross region also, because I have done directors training also. So I have got business. I have done TTT as well. So now I'm connected to people in Chandigarh. I'm connected to people in Gujarat, then South India. So I'm doing business a lot.
Let's talk about TAP 25. So what are your goals from TAP 25?
So before I come to TAP 25, Nitin sir, I was a fresher member in TAP 23. I was inducted a day before and I attended TAP 23.
Okay.
That was initially, I would say, as a new member, it was quite overwhelming for me. It was great, grand. But now if we talk about TAP 25, that is like, it is magnificent. That is the word I come across.
It's more like, okay, that was a day before TAP you got inducted. Maybe this time you are feeling more involved, more
Yes.
part of it.
Yes, definitely. I'm feeling more part of it, being the TAP ambassador and the first TAP ambassador of the region. Definitely, it makes me feel more attached to it. Now I know what and how I should connect with people and how I should gain more out of TAP. And TAP 25 has, but like, it is now from Hayat, it has moved to Yashobhumi. In itself, it is something very grand.
It's almost 5, I won't say 5, but
It must be 10 or 20x,
10
I'm sure.
times, minimum 10 times.
Yes, the exhibition looks very big. Like, it is much bigger than the exhibition we had in TAP 23. And not just that, the guests who are coming, मेरे लिए सबसे special moment of guests was Swami Gaur Gopal Das coming. I follow him and religiously I follow him, and I was so happy. That was, I think, the biggest gift TAP 25 could give us. And then apart from that, Euphoria, our childhood, our like younger generation times, it is related to that Euphoria and Kailash Kher and many more things. Matlab, this time frame would be very less to speak about it कि क्या special है. So I'm just looking forward to it, and I'm like really excited to see all of them on stage, and if I get a chance I would want to meet them as well in person. So let's see. So yeah.
Okay. You have been part of TAP from almost 11 months now.
Yes.
That you are
Yes.
part of TAP.
Yes.
Now I want one message that you want to give to the region, to all the members in the region.
To all
The
the
TAP who are joining TAP and who are not joining TAP, both of them.
I'm so surprised who is not joining TAP. Come on, how can you miss it?
Yes.
When I played a video of Palash Sen on my WhatsApp, I got a call from people who are not in BNI. I said, how can we come here? So BNI mein hoke, if you're missing it, I don't know why you are here.
Same thing happened when we put the status of Gaur Shri Gopal Das Ji
Yes.
status we put up on
Yes.
WhatsApp.
Yes.
So even we got a lot of messages that
Yes.
they want to join. Same thing, yeah.
Yes. So I don't know why you're missing it. There is nothing. मतलब कोई भी एक reason justify नहीं कर सकता missing out on TAP. And being from Prolific, so Prolific being the showcase chapter, I cannot miss saying this. सबसे बढ़िया chapter कौन? Definitely Prolific.
So that means we are gonna get this shouts there.
Yes, we developed this. Actually, this shout out was created in TAP 23
Yeah,
by
I
our
witnessed
VP.
it. I witnessed
Yes, I'm also. So it was created right in front of me by our VP, then VP Kunal. So now I'm the VP, so I have to take that baton
are the
along
flag
with
bearer
me.
now.
Yeah, I'll be taking that flag, and we are going to shout out loud that सबसे बढ़िया chapter con. It's Prolific, and Prolific we have to go 100% for sure. And in fact, not only Prolific, I would say NEW, we should go 100% strength in TAP. बाहर के लोग excited है, हम क्यों नहीं जाएंगे? मतलब there cannot be any reason कि हम वहाँ ना जाए.
One shout out you wanna give.
One shout out. Come on, NEW, get ready and let's meet at TAP and make it extremely grand and have amazing experience, amazing business. See you all there.
Thank you.